that God can be heard. I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your empty since you left me. Try to find a way to get it off. As soon as the wind blows from across the great divide, what is it?